Welcome back to Think Thrice Problem Solving. We're going to go ahead and solve a fun little algebra problem today. So our problem is 1 to the x plus 10 to the x equals 100 to the x. So go ahead and pause the video and give it a shot. Otherwise, we're going to jump straight into the solution. So what we're looking at here, so we see a problem. We know we're going to need to use some sort of logarithm at some point. But what we notice here is a few things. So 1 to the x. So no matter what x is, this is always going to be equal to just the number 1. So 1 raised to the 20th power is the same as 1 to the negative 20th. So as long as we're not throwing some infinities in there, we're all right. Also, if I look at 100 to the x, what is 100 to the x? So 100 to the x is 10 squared to the x. And by exponential rules, I can then rewrite this as 10 to the x squared. So let's go ahead and relook this now. So I have 1 plus 10 to the x is equal to 10 to the x squared. So you've probably figured it out if you haven't already. We're going to do a little substitution here. So I'm going to let a equal 10 to the x. Actually, let's let y equal 10 to the x. So we're going to have an equation 1 plus y is equal to y squared. So I can rewrite that as y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Quadratic formula can help us out here. So we're going to get y is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 4 times negative 1. So 1 plus 4 divided by 2, which is going to give us 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 divided by 2. Keep in mind, so 10 to the x is going to be greater than 0 for all values of x. Okay, so no matter what we plug into x, it's always going to be a positive number. And 1 minus square root of 5 is less than 0. So what does that mean? That means that the y solution we're looking at is just going to be y is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. So now we've simplified my problem. And all I'm really solving now is that y, which is 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2, using this equation here, is going to be equal to 10 to the x. So in order to solve this, I'm going to rewrite this over here. Let's take the log of both sides, base 10. So log base 10 of 10 to the x. And remember, so what is log base 10 of 10 to the x? So 10 to the what would equal 10 to the x? Well, I just said it. So this is going to be equal to just x. So what does that tell me? That now I have my solution. X is going to be equal to log base 10 of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. And that is going to be my exact numerical answer. All right. I hope you enjoyed working through this problem with me. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you have an idea for a different video, please submit it at thinkthriceproblemsolving@gmail.com. And as you're working through problems on your own, think once, think twice, and if you ever get lost, think thrice. Thanks.